So our customers love coming to us because we are a one-stop shop. For one, we can control when that project gets done, whether they need it sooner or they need to push that project out. We have that control to do that here. It definitely saves a lot on cost. Instead of us outsourcing to someone else, by the time the customer gets a job, it's been marked up 2 or 3 times. So, us being able to do everything here just saves the customer a ton of money and a lot of concern.
So because we're a one-stop shop, all of our teams are working together within the same facility. So if there's a problem between fabrication and weld or weld to paint, all of those issues get solved internally and don't have to be dealt with by our customers. So we can eliminate a lot of the headache because we have everything in one place to do an entire project for a customer.
One of the best things people love about our shop is, our customer service, being able to get a hold of someone when they call. We have a great engineering team, great production team. Everybody's always willing to put the customer first and get the project out when needed.
I don't ever get complaints about my sales team or customer service team not getting back with people. They're very, very good about responding, very good about solving any issues that may come up and doing a very good job communicating with their customers.
If you are looking for a reliable manufacturing partner who can take your project from concept to finished product, we are ready to help. Give us a call today or go to our website at ezgmfg.com.